if you do video editing, or even if you don't do video editing because you think it's beyond you, then this video is for you, because we're going to look at the video editor that I use. A lot of you who've seen my videos think, right, well, we're not going to buy that then. But they've just released a new version, and I believe it's got 2 killer features it didn't have before, which make it, well, it's a game changer in my opinion. I've been around the houses with video editors over the years. I spent a fortune, and I mean thousands of pounds, on Adobe Premiere Pro and the Creative Suite, only to find out about a year later they made it into a subscription model. So they wanted $49 a month from me, but which made it worse. Anybody could just spend $49 a month and get exactly the same program that I'd invested thousands of dollars in. A lot of people weren't happy with Adobe when that happened. But we're going to talk about Wondershare Filmora. And when you initially looked at it, or when I first saw it, it looked tacky. But then when you start using it, it is just so easy. I think it is just really user-friendly. Here is the screen. The link to Filmora for your free trial is in the description of this video. I suggest you try it out. Okay? Now, it's just been upgraded to Filmora 12. I've just paid to upgrade. It's weird. If you've been with them for years, then you have to pay a little bit to upgrade each time. If you come on board, you can buy, like now, if you bought it outright, you could buy version 12 outright. But then if it went to version 13, you'd have to pay a bit. Or you can pay an annual fee and you'll get all the upgrades. But if you have a look at the link, all of those are explained, and I think you get a discount. But here's the things that I think it's changed. So just very quickly, this is not a demonstration of Filmora. Very, very easy. Across the top, you've got the media that you use. It can be your project. This is what's changed. Media, stock media, that's, media from other people you can use. Audio, so many different, where are we? So many different sound effects. Thousands of titles, different effects. You can see 3D, World Cup, everything. It's updated. Can you see there? It's got the World Cup because the World Cup's just been on, and Christmas. Transitions, effects, stickers, templates. So that's basically, and there's your timeline below. So if you use any video editing, there's your timeline with multiple layers. You can add your logos and stuff. So here are the 2 killer features that I think have just been added to Filmora. There's probably going to be more as I start exploring it in depth, and I will make another video. But the first one is that this has changed now. Project Media used to just have all of the media, so the video for your project, plus I always used to have to do this, so I'd go import media, and in all of my videos I use, let's scroll down, I use that little thing, that just that square that says Film Review Software and other stuff. So I'd have to go and find it each time I make a new video. I'd have to go and find that, and what I do is I kind of drag it in here, and I'll show you. I'll drag it in here, and then I resize it, and I stick it up there. It's not rocket science. I purposely, by the way, make my videos non-fancy, all right? My review does the talking. You don't need me to be in a fancy screen studio with a load of LED lights behind me and some plants. So that's the thing. So you have to do that each time manually. So I've also got another one, which is my little video hook. So as I cut into the screen, I go Film Review Software and let's check it out. And it's little 1-second thing go doodle-doo, Film Review Software. And I've got to go and find that. Now, look what I can do. I can drag anything I want into global media. And then every single time I open a new project, I can get my regular files and short clip videos and PNGs that I use, and I can move them into the project. Now, they didn't have that before. It sounds like something or nothing, and there's probably other video editing softwares which do that, but they didn't have it before, so it's really handy for me. And as well as that, also added now, you've got global media with a folder. You've also got cloud media, so you can, and I'm not sure if there's an extra fee to store the stuff on the Filmora cloud, but you can save your media on the on the cloud there, so it's always there. So you might want to, you might be working from different computers. Yeah, that's the main reason, wouldn't it? So you might be working from different computers, a laptop when you're away, your desktop when you're at home, and when you're logged into Filmora, it will be stored up on the cloud for you to use. And the next killer feature is adjustment layers. So always on Filmora before. So say you're editing your clips away, and you're obviously snipping them. So here we go. I'm snipping that clip in half, and I might be editing a bit out of it. So can you see that? So say afterwards, I think, I need to adjust the color on the clips. if I've snipped these clips into bits, traditionally what I would it just wouldn't have worked. I'd have had to adjust that one. So hang on, just let me move that so you can see what I'm talking about here. I'd have had to adjust. Where are we? So yeah, let's just change the temperature. I'd have had to adjust that one, but then if I slide onto that one, it's not adjusted. See? That one's adjusted. That one's not. Let's just go back. But now, and this is, you can add an adjustment layer. This is a game changer. So there's me. Okay. And I can now, look at this. Change the color of me. I'm just doing this extreme so that you can see. I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, right, yeah. So see, I'm just doing this extreme just so you get the idea. All right. Now, if I slide along the timeline now, this is clip 1. Clip 2. Clip 3, it will adjust all of the layers. Just slide the adjustment layer above all of the clips and it will adjust the color, the contrast, anything you want. So you can do color, layer, animation. Can you do, hang on, I'm not sure. I'm going to have to suss it out properly, all right? But it will adjust all of the clips. So if you want to make some changes at the end, I mean, I suppose my workflow normally would be that I would, for example, when my videos come in and the microphone's volume is a bit low, before I start cutting the clip up, I will automatically just increase the volume of the audio just before I start doing the editing. So yeah, really you should do things first, but we tend not to. And if you want to adjust something now, you can now do the adjustment layer. So just a quick video. I am going to explore more about Filmora. I can't emphasize how much. Yes, when you look at it and you start using it, if you're used to using the pro programs, you might think that some of the stickers and stuff look a little bit tacky and you think, yeah, it's not for me, this. Once you start using Filmora, it just makes life really, really easy. It's got lots to do. It's got lots going on. All right, I should really do a full playlist of all the things that I do within Filmora. So quick video. Check it out. Link in description. You get a free trial. And as I say, I think you'll get a 20% discount on that link. Don't quote me on that. I'm not sure. But it's not expensive. As I say, I think the if you buy it outright without the upgrades, it's about $80. If you want to pay the annual plan, it's about $40 for Filmora. I mean, Adobe, I think, is $40 a month. So it's very, very reasonable. Check it out. I'll upload this video now. Tell me what you think about Filmora 12. And tell me if you think it now compares with the big boys as well. All right, everyone.